Hey, let me show you all sounds and the vibration settings that you can find on the Samsung A07. So as you can see, first of all, at the top we can change modes. We can find 3 of them, and for each mode we can find some unique options like that. We can also find a ringtone for both SIM cards, so we can easily change it, and also the ringtone volume. So unfortunately you cannot set a different volume for each SIM card, as you can see, and here we can find all available ringtones. Then we can find the notification sound. We can also set this for both SIM cards different, but still we cannot change it. We cannot set the different sound volume level. Here all system sounds like volume level, touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging sound, and screen lock and unlock sound. And when we go here, we can find all the volume adjustments for ringtone, media, notifications, system, AI assistant, alarm, and we can also use volume buttons for media. Below we can find some vibrations options for both SIM cards, for notifications, for system, touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging sound, and the navigation gestures. Then of course the vibration intensity, and here we can find all sound quality and effects. So we got the Dolby Atmos, loudness normalization, up sound settings, and here we can also find separate up sound. And that's all sound settings that you can find on this device.